Hello everyone, welcome back to the new session. Today we are going to start new topic repeated addition on number line. Already we are familiar with repeat addition on the number line. We have seen in addition chapter. Now we will see repeated addition on the number line. See, the first one is given, that is 2 multiplied by 6. As we are going to multiply 2 into 6, that means we are going to add this 2. How many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we are multiplying 2 into 6, that means we are going to add this 2. How many times? 6 times. Let's add on the number line. Start jumping two numbers towards right side. Start first one. 1, 2. 2 ones are 2, that is. Now again 2 numbers towards right side. What is the number? 1, 2, that is 4. It is 2 times. Now again jump 2 numbers towards right side. What is the number here? 6. It is 3 times. Now again jump towards right side. How many numbers? 2 numbers. Why 2 numbers? We are going to add these 2. How many times? 6 times. Now 1, 2. What is the number here? 8. How many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again jump 2 numbers. 1, 2. What is the number here? 10. Again 1, 2. What is the number here? 12. Understood how we did this? As we are going to multiply this 2 into 6, that means we have to add 2. How many times? 6 times. On the number line, we are added this number. We are jumped 2 numbers. Okay, towards right side. It is first time, second time, third, fourth, fifth and sixth time. What is number here? 12. So when we add these 2 6 times, we get answer 12. And also 2 6 are 12. Understood? It means multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. Now see the second one. What is the number here? 3, which has to be multiplied with 5. That means this 3, how many times you will add? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Add on the number line. Start jumping. How many numbers? 3 numbers towards right side. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3. This is 1 time. Again 1, 2, 3. This is 2 time. 1, 2, 3. 3 time. Again 1, 2, 3. 4 time and 1, 2, 3. As we are going to add this 3, how many times? 5 times. So we jumped 3 numbers towards right side. How many times? 5 times. Then what is the number here? 15. So when we add this 3 5 times, we get answer 15. And also when we multiply 3 into 5, that is 3 5s is equal to 15. This is the repeated addition of the number. Understood? See the next one. Write the product using addition. Product means after multiplication the answer we find, that is the product. Now see the first one. 5 multiplied by 2. Here we are going to multiply 5 by 2. That means this 2 we will add how many times? 5 times. Or you can add this 5 2 times. We will add this 2 5 times. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we are going to multiply 5 into 2, this 2 we will add how many times? 5 times. As we know, multiplication means repeated addition. So this add this 2 5 times. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 2 which is equal to 10. When we add this 2 5 times, we get the answer 10, and 5 2s or 2 5s is also 10. Now see the second one. 8 multiplied by 1. That means this 1 we are going to add how many times? 8 times. Start adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As we are going to multiply 8 into 1, so we will add this 1 how many times? 8 times. Now start adding this. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. When we add this 1 8 times, we get the answer 8. And also 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Understood this repeated addition or addition? How can we find the product using addition? The next one, read the statement and write answer. See the first one. A car has 4 wheels. You know that a car has a 4 wheels. How many wheels do 6 such cars have? So we will multiply 4 into 6 as one car. A car have 4 wheels. How many such 6 cars have wheels? So we will find out this answer by adding repeatedly, as we are going to multiply 4 into 6. So this 4 we will add how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start addition. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 which is equal to 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. And 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Okay. A car has a 4 wheels. Then how many wheels do 6 cars have? So 6 cars will have 24 wheels. Understood? See another one. There are 3 beads in a necklace. How many beads will be there in 4 necklace? So we will multiply 3 into 4. As one necklace have 3 beads in that, then how many beads will be there in such a 4 necklace? So what we will do now? We will add this 3 how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start adding. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And 9 plus 3 which is equal to 12. So 4 necklace will have how many beads? 12 beads. Understood? The next one, fill in the blanks by adding repeatedly. Okay. Now one example is given here, that number of bicycles and number of wheels. All of you must have ride the bicycles. Can you tell me the number of wheels in a bicycle? It has a 2 wheels. It has 2 wheels. So what is given here? The number of bicycles, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to find out the number of wheels in bicycles. Okay. Now see the first one. If the bicycle is 1, Then how many wheels it has? It has a 2 wheels. One bicycle will have two wheels. That is 2 ones are. This 2 we will add one time, or 1 we will add 2 times. So it will get 2. One bicycle has 2 wheels. How many such a 2 bicycles will have wheels? So what we will do? We will add this 2. How many times? 2 times. 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So 2 bicycles will have how many wheels? 4 wheels. Now how many such a 3 bicycles have wheels? Can you find out? This 2 we will add how many times? 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Add this one. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. That is means when we multiply 2 into 2, we get 4. When we multiply 2 into 3, that is means we are going to add this 2 how many times? 3 times. Then we get answer 6. So 3 bicycles will have 6 wheels. Now see the next number of bicycles are 4. What we will do here? 4. And each bicycle have how many wheels? 2 wheels. Multiply by 2. So this 2 how many times we will add? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add and tell me the answer. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. So 4 bicycles will have 8 wheels. Now see the next one. Try yourself. There are what is the number of bicycles? 5. And number of number of wheels in one bicycle is equal to 2. So this 2 we will add how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Add this one. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So this 5 bicycles will have how many wheels? 10 wheels. Got it?